Welcome back to the Hotep Money Channel, where we cover the latest in artificial intelligence and finance news. Without further ado, let's get into today's update. Riot. I was trading this today. I traded it twice for gains. Really good stock. At least today it was. They have acquired 200 acres of land in Rockdale, Texas. This whole project right here in Rockdale was entirely funded by them selling 1,080 Bitcoin from their balance sheet. That they were like, listen, we're about to unload 1,000 Bitcoin today to make this thing happen. And then what they did was they signed a lease. They had AMD sign a lease. Basically what this means is Riot has basically said, look, screw Bitcoin. We're all in on AI. So they are saying these machines are no longer going to run Bitcoin mining. We're going to lease these machines out to AMD, and AMD is going to run AI on this. And I've put this warning out in the past. I argued with Landy last week, Friday. I'm going to argue with him tonight on GNN. AI is the new Bitcoin. My prediction is the new Bitcoin miner is me and you. Like when you walk down the street, you'll be mining Bitcoin. When you open your refrigerator, you'll be mining Bitcoin. Everybody else will be mining AI transactions.
Hotep, you're a genius. HotepJesusLive.
It's my prediction. It's my prediction. Your dog will mine Bitcoin. And you'll just get a transaction fee. You just get tiny transaction fees. You're not even going to win the block. You're not even going to win the block. You know, you're not. Let's go on to the next update. In the meantime, hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the like and subscribe button. That's what I'm supposed to tell you guys to do. Citi. We got a nice ticker here called Akam, AKAM, Akamai. And Citi has revised its price target from $88 to $103. They maintain a neutral rating. I don't know if you guys know about this company. Basically, they are the backbone of the internet. Like the internet runs through Akamai, them and Cloudflare. And they have over 325,000 servers distributed over 4,100 points of presence in more than 1,000 cities worldwide. Bullish on this company. Without them, I believe we talked about this in this meeting. If you guys are not a member of Men of Order, menoforder.com, if you subscribe to one of the supplements, you get invited to our investing workshops. And yeah, we called this in our investing workshop that I forget who it was, but we have like really intelligent people, like coders, like tech people, investors that come to our workshops. And he warned us about Akamai, and here we are. Yeah, it's about to do numbers. Last story of the day. This is one of my personal favorite stocks, Micron Technology. Micron Tech has broken ground in New York today. They have $100 billion memory manufacturing complex coming to Onondaga County, New York. They got 4 fabs for the largest semiconductor facility in the United States, generating about 50,000 jobs in New York. This is the largest private investment in New York State history. Will be the home to the most advanced memory manufacturing in the world. This is supposed to help meet the growing demands of AI and AI devices. They do have a $500 million community investment framework, which they plan to invest $250 million in workforce development, education, and other community investments, including transportation and housing. I was talking to some youngsters today, and they're like, yeah, I'm going into tech and I'm studying how to be a coder and a web designer. And I'm like, yo, if you don't get the hell out of that industry, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I said. I said, get the F out of coding and web design. What? Like, get the hell out of coding and web design. First of all, coding and web design is super bearish industry. Apps are doing that, right? And there's no money in that. There's no money in that unless you've been doing it already and you're like super expert, right? But what happens is, like, all the people that sell courses, the people who sell courses, they're trying to offload and get their last little bit of money duping you, the guy who thinks he's getting into tech, into getting experience and knowledge in an industry that's dying. Okay. So I told him, get the F out of coding and web design, go into artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, blockchain tech, and data center tech. These are the new tech jobs. If you are in coding, if you are in web design and you bought a class, you are getting scammed. If you are just now learning to code, you are being scammed. Where we going, there is no code. That is your finance update of the day. I'm your host, Hotep Jesus.
I haven't lost yet! I've always been the weakest, and I've been mocked for it at every turn. But I still try as hard as I can. You see, I've been leveling up this whole time. Give in to fear. I can't get stronger that way. I'll fight, I'll level up, and take what's mine.